Dignitaries from far and near, including sons and daughters of Ijebu Ife, converged on the Legacy Hall, Ajalorun Palace, Ijebu Ife, for a symposium and the launch of Destined for the Throne, a biography of Oba Adesesan Afolorunso Oguntayo and the story of Ijebu Ife to mark his 30 years on the throne as the Ajalorun of Ijebu Ife. Correspondent Agbola Elufuoju has details.
While welcoming guests to the occasion, the chairman of the book launch committee, Professor Gbemi Onakoya, ably represented by Professor Ademola Adeoye, described the book titled Destined for the Throne, a biography of Oba Adesesan Afolorunso Oguntayo, as an encyclopedia of the origin of the people of Ijebu Ife, a descendant of Olofin Ogbolu, who migrated from Ile-Ife and settled down at the place known as Ijebu Ife today in 1450. The chairman of the occasion and chief launcher, Chief Fola, described Oba Adesesan Oguntayo, Ajalorun of Ife, as a visionary leader who brought a good numbers of developmental projects to his community. The guest lecturer, Professor Bankole Okuwa, rejoiced with Oba Adesesan Oguntayo for 30 years of remarkable and successful reign as the 42nd Ajalorun of Ijebu Ife. He enjoined the people of the ancient town to join hands with the monarch in taking Ijebu Ife to greater heights. Professor Adebayo Aina, who reviewed the book, said the book emphasized on how Olofin Ogbolu left Ile-Ife in 1450 and settled down with his people at the place known as Ijebu Ife today. The chairman of the book launch committee, Kabiyesi Ajalorun, and other dignitaries unveiled and launched the 358 pages book.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm the origin of the book. We want to make sure that we correct any bad impression about the Ijebu Ife.
And it's a book that I commend to everyone to read.
Goodwill messages were presented by notable traditional rulers and other guests in attendance.
We are the son of Olofin Ogbolu from Ife, the Elemure, the Ajalorun, and the Erunwon. So we are part of the history.
It's actually homecoming for us, because when our forefathers first migrated from Ile-Ife, all the siblings, they first settled here.
The week-long event on the 38th anniversary on the throne of Oba Adesesan Oguntayo will come to climax on Saturday with a fundraising gala for 1 billion Ijebu Ife Legacy Development Project. From Ijebu Ife, Agbola Elufuoju, NTA News.